going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan 3 Flyknits on deck. I was able to win these on Nike on the sneakers app. But before I get into the review, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. I want to talk to you guys about a workout app that I've been using lately. These shoes right here might be good for you to work out in. You never know. I think they might do justice because it's Flyknit. You know, might be comfortable. The app I've been using is called 30-Day Fitness app. It's a 30-day fitness challenge. You know, I'm trying to get a little more fit. You know what I'm saying? For all you guys out there that's trying to get fit, you know, and yeah, work out and stuff like that, I suggest you guys check out this app. You can get a fitness plan that can help you. As you guys can see, that's me right there. You can put a bunch of things in here. You can put things about you, your fitness plan. If you want to work out 3 times a week for 15 minutes, you could be more active. You can gain muscle. You can just adjust it to whatever you guys want. So, me, I had a little lose weight plan, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to do something about 3 times a week, you know, something light for 15 minutes. You got your smart reminder. Now, you also can get some trainers. I have a trainer named Jason Williams. He was helping me out, telling me some tips and things like that. It shows you how to do it, which makes it more helpful. Now, you can do some incline push-ups. That's what it wants me to do. And it'll tell you how much calories you're losing. You got challenges. You could do a full body makeover. Cardio blast. That's the main thing that I like to do. So I'm going to be doing a lot of cardio. And if you guys trying to get fit, man, definitely check out the 30-day fitness app channel. Now, let's get back to the video. I suggest you guys click on the link in the description where you guys can download this application and you can start your workouts now. Off the jump, I like these a lot. Like I said, it's really a real nice shoe. Starting off, first, let me show you guys. Take a look at my receipt. Straight from Nike. Everybody's asking me on Instagram, like, yo, DS Dan, how'd you get them so fast? It was $15 overnight, so I said, let me just pay the $15 overnight. But you got your typical Jordan 3 box, nothing special. They should have gave us a nice little dope box for these. The size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Flyknit. The colorway is black anthracite. Retails $200. Take a look at that size tag. Inside the box, it comes at all, no card, no nothing. You just got your regular elephant print paper, and that's it. Let's get into the shoes. Take a look at that Flyknit material. Look at it's just nice and soft. But what's cool is they gave it a nice detailing. You can see your elephant print right there that goes in front of the toe box. They did a great job, man. That elephant print looks dope like that. Throughout the whole upper of the shoe, just straight Flyknit, you know what I'm saying? And the design on the Flyknit is really nice. You know, they just made it nice and it feels pretty thick and it's just all around good material, I must say. You got your wax laces. Now the wax black laces is nice. It gives it a nice pop, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got your stitched in Jumpman right there. Also does come with the hand tag, as you can see in black, and it says Air. Now this is what makes the shoe pop. You got an all black midsole that goes around the shoe, and it got that nice shine to it. You know what I'm saying? Look how that just pops. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your black shiny midsole with your Flyknit on the upper, and you can see your designs. Now, inside the shoe is really nice. They hit you with all leather in the inner. On the sock liner, the whole sock liner is in leather. Nice soft black leather. You got like a light black Jumpman inside on the inner sole. Back of the tongue also is in leather. In the back of the shoe, take a look at the Jumpman. You got your Jumpman right there, that shiny Jumpman. This Jumpman, I'm not sure if it's metal. Feels hard. It might be metal in the back with your Air in black bottom. The bottom is glow in the dark. The whole bottom is like it's translucent. You got a nice icy bottom with Jordan right there in black. Now I'm going to show you guys right now how does the shoe look when it glows right now. As for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size. All around, dope shoe, man. The Air Jordan 3 Flyknit, something different, you know what I'm saying? They are very comfortable. Now let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Thank you guys for listening to me with the, about the app and my workout plan and things like that. I appreciate you guys a lot. Hit that thumbs up right now, man. Air Jordan 3 Flyknit's on deck. Hope you guys enjoy the review. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
Yeah. Sometimes it be the people closest to you. Your right hand man, your best friend.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Be the same ones plotting on you, trying to take your place. Lord, all came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Was doing your thing back then, if I asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. You changed on me. Changed on me. You changed on me. Why? If it came down to it, would've let you throw that weight on me. That weight on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. I don't deserve it. If you wasn't my brother, then they wouldn't hurt me. But I got a purpose. You just starting on bitches cause you really thirsty. And I'm really working. I'ma go get the crown cause I'm really worthy. That you in my circle. Now you plotting no robbing, so we gotta murk you, boy. I ain't never wanna hurt you, boy. Force my hand and I don't have to. Street smart, couldn't learn in the classroom. You been trapping, but I flew right past you. If it's really all a part of the plan, then sorry mama, you was right. Cause you told me not to hang out with them killers, I almost died the same night. Lost some niggas, I survived. So wishing they life would revive. Reminiscing about the times we ain't had much with it all combined. I got a lot of shit on my mind, I just don't know how to let it out. I was sick first, but I'm better now. You both the coach, how to sell me out. All came from the same place, so how you gon'